Quicksilver. Sounds of the Rolls-Royce liquid-cooled V12 motor engine. They have been built on license by the Packard Motor Car Company in Detroit, bolstered the Mustang's capabilities at all altitudes and made it both a great air-to-air and air-to-ground platform. We're going to watch Scooter now as he dives in from our left with airspeeds in excess of 300 miles an hour. He brings his P-51 Mustang back to our show center for his next week. And those who have given the ultimate sacrifice. If you look closely, spreads out the bottom of the feathers, symbolizing the eagle that has flown with every aviator since the birth of aviation in 1903. The unique black paint has thousands of small, tiny sparkles, each sparkle representing a veteran. These veterans are mom, dad, brother, or sister, and the glimmering star in a mother's eye, a husband's heart, a son and daughter's hope for the future. The silver around the spinner represents the shining halo. The black and white stripes are there, paying tribute to D-Day. Some 80 years ago, the stars and bars proudly displayed on the aircraft represent a symbol all U.S. fighter planes carry. All of the metal on this P-51 has been extensively polished, and if you look closely into that metal, you can see for whom our veterans fought. Parts on Quicksilver were all handmade, unlike the war parts of the 1940s, made with the skill and master craftsmen. The late Bill Yoak spent his life restoring Quicksilver with the utmost attention to detail necessary to restore this Mustang to better the factory new in 1945. Scooter will now demonstrate the 6-point roll as he dives in and salutes the Army, the Navy, the Marine Corps, the Air Force, the Coast Guard, and the for Scooter Yoak, P-51 Mustang Quicksilver. Scooter is going to come by now and give us a few photo passes of this P-51, allowing you to get a great look at this remarkable air. Inbound now, low and to our left. Cameras at the ready. Here's Scott Scooter Yoak and Quicksilver. We do not fly the Scooter Yoak touching down out there on runway 28 as he recovers the P-51 Mustang. He'll be taxiing by, giving a big wave. Of course, the opportunity to see the airplane up close a bit as he taxis by. And we, of course, encourage you to stop by the hop ramp area down to Airshow right to say hello as well. We want to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue with our day, to lather up on plenty of sunscreen, reapply. We do it here on the stand a couple of times throughout the day. And, of course, drink up on plenty of fluids. If you're feeling a bit under the weather, we do have some solutions for you, to include a couple of misters working throughout the Airshow grounds. And on top of that, we have 2 buses that are fully air-conditioned that you can hang out under a net as we continue to count down our time to the F-16 demo and the Geronimo Skydive, and, of course, the Brett J. Treat Glory still to come as part of our show here this afternoon. Free water also available here on site. A couple of water tanks located near the center of the Airshow grounds, so be sure to stay hydrated and keep those fluids going.